is a chore.
We are going to be learning how to make coffee using a MokaPot. I'm brewing with South Market from Sonder. This is a rich Papua New Guinea medium roast coffee with notes of caramel, orange, and cedar. With a coffee roaster, creative studio, and multi-purpose event space on site, Sonder is much more than your ordinary coffee shop. They are a Black woman-owned, innovative, entrepreneurial, and creative hub where coffee, community, and culture connect. Okay, grab your gear and let's get brewing.
I must be off for something. I need caffeine cause life does not feel like a dream. You know exactly what I mean. No double shot help me espresso. Ain't no fluid, feel like steam. Just a vapor of my former self. Retired human being, I need more time. Some catch up with Joe time. Some laughing and joke time. Before I got no time. Ain't no telling with show time. You never get your time. Replenish your soul time. Damn, I wish that they sold time.
Life is a chore. Coffee ain't working anymore, locking my door. Coffee ain't working anymore, life is a chore. Coffee ain't working anymore, locking my door. Coffee ain't working anymore.
Diced Americana, a cold and soulless pit. Worship the dollar, holy shit. Explain it, why are we like this? Prioritize professions over being healthy, but we're fit, just not mentally. Letting corporate tell us who we meant to be. It don't make no sense to me. Pour a cup of coffee to forget it, and pray that what I'm doing now, I don't live to regret it. I know I'm working towards being a star with many bucks, but I feel like a zombie with a coffee and no fucks. Life is a chore.